Okay, traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video, we're going to show you our new squeeze indicator for NinjaTrader. Basically, it's a volatility indicator that measures momentum and volatility. Above the zero, there's a zero line here with the red and blue dots. Above it, the trend is up, and below it, like right here, the trend is down. So what happens with this indicator? Basically, the momentum was really strong right here. So, and it stayed above the zero line, so it would prevent you from going short. And you would go short. There's audio alerts for when the trend changes below the zero line. So you would go short below the zero line and long above it. Okay, so the way this works is these red dots are the squeeze dots and the blue are normal dots. So when the red dots fire off, a squeeze is in action. And when the dots turn green, basically, it's time to go long. And you got to get in before, the second or third blue dot. And so the way it works here, this is a strong trend and it stayed above the zero line. And the price went higher. And here it's trying to reverse. Here would have been a short. Momentum bars go red, it sells off, then they turn yellow. And now it's trying to reverse here. So back here we had a reversal. And then the squeeze dots happened and it went up. And then if you look, same thing happened here. Same thing happened here. So it's a pretty powerful and accurate indicator that measures the momentum and volatility and will keep you on the right side of the trade. Now let's look at the ES. ES here is moving just after 11 a.m. here. As you see, it sold off, got a bounce, sold off, got a little bounce, and then sold off. So the overall trend was down for the day, and it sold off. And here it's trying to reverse, and looks like it's losing its momentum and probably going to go lower. So the ES is kind of trying to hold up. It never got below the zero line. So you basically would not have taken this short. And the market's been down all day. So we're in the 11 o'clock time frame. But ES can move pretty slow compared to the NQ. So it's trying to go. I think I'll go long here.
Order filled.
3 contracts. It's taking a little pause.
Trend
here.
reversal up.
And up
Trading 123.
So there's a squeeze that fired off. Momentum's going up. And we'll take some profit off here. We'll bring our targets down.
Target filled.
Lock in some profit there. I have my ATM strategy a little too far. So there we go. We're up nicely here.
Target filled.
And we're probably going to go up to 462.
Trend reversal up. Trading 123.
So there's your audio alert. And we're still going. I think we'll get out at this 462. That looks like the next resistance. So we're moving up nicely. Like I said, resistance is actually a little higher up, 466. You know, back to this area, you always look left. So this is turning out to be a nice squeeze. As you see, the momentum is still strong. I'll maybe raise this up to here. 66 is the
New visitor.
resistance level.
Trend
I think
reversal up.
65
Trading
sounds
123.
good. I'll go right there, 64.75. Now bring my stop up. Looks like we're going to hit our target. We're up on this one contract, 400 bucks. And this is a big momentum squeeze right here.
Target
so that's how
filled.
the indicator works. And there you go. That's how the Trading123 squeeze indicator works. And like I said, we're always looking for resistance by looking to the left. And initially I thought it was this 461 area, but it blew through that and kept going. So you target the next resistance, which was up here near this 466. So I always get out about 4 ticks earlier than the resistance. As you see, it stalled out here. And then this was the squeeze that went on. It looked like it was going to go lower here, but it, no, right here it looked like it was going to go below the zero line, but it didn't. And then we started getting these red dots and then the green dots on the momentum line, and the squeeze was on. I got long here. Let me look. So we're still moving up here nicely. Like I said, 466 was the original resistance that I targeted, and it just basically hit it within a tick. So we got in at looks like 4656.75. Our first profit target was at the 58. So that gave us 5 tick profit. And our second one was at 59.75. We got out. That gave us 12 ticks. So we're up 17 ticks. And then the last one, we rode for a whole 8 points or 32 ticks. So that brings us to a total of 49 ticks times $5 a tick. And look, it's still going. So you would not be short this because the momentum is so strong. So that's the benefits of this indicator. You can see the power of it. So we got 49 ticks and times 12.50 a tick. This was a $600 trade, and you see we missed out on some. The momentum is still strong. As I said, the market had sold off from like 10 o'clock all the way down here to 11. And then this was the first bounce, had a pullback, and that's when the squeeze formed, and up we go. Had I ridden this out a little further, we could have been up another, 100 bucks, 200-300 bucks. Looks like it's going to go to the moon. No, 49.72 is the next resistance. So probably 49.70 it'll slow down, but that was a strong move. And you would not short this. You're thinking, oh, it's at the high of the day. Well, it's at the highs here. I should short it. it's fizzling out. It's at the whole number 46.70. So if I was still long, I would have got out of here at 46.70 and been done with it. One and done trade. So that's how the squeeze indicator works. As you see here, the time and sales show that this is a live trade. And like I said, 49.70, 46.70 is starting to fizzle out. Momentum's going down. And that was a great trade. So that's how the Trading123 squeeze indicator works. And let's go back to crude here real quick. Show you crude. So crude also got a little squeeze, but it slows down after 11. So, and the ES here was losing some momentum.
Trend reversal down. Trading123.
And there's your audio alert. So the software comes with audio alerts you can turn on or off, and basically, you know, I think you heard it on this one here. The software does. But with this sell-off here, I don't think it's going to go too far. Maybe 4 to 8 ticks, and the market may continue up because it's been down all day. So again, on our first trade, we got 5 ticks. Then we got 12 ticks. And then the big winner was 32 ticks. And that's 8 points. 8 points on the ES is like a home run. So, powerful indicator. Go to our website, Trading123, and look for under the indicators, and you'll see the squeeze indicator. And it comes with a manual and instructions on how to use it, and videos on how to trade with it, what to look for, just like I just showed you here. And some also trading tips and tricks to use when using it. So this is Patrick from Trading123. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.